So the title of my presentation is Deep Learning for Manufacturing Inspection Applications. And so let's start with a brief introduction. So formerly Point Grey, we were acquired by FLIR 2.5 years ago, and we are now called FLIR Integrated Imaging Solutions. And we are a global leader in the design, manufacture of innovative high-performance digital cameras for industrial, medical, life science, traffic, robotics, biometric GIS, and people counting applications. So this photo here shows the wide range of cameras that we offer, from monocular machine vision cameras to stereo cameras, like these ones, and also spherical 360 cameras. So while many of the FLIR divisions are involved in thermal imaging, the focus of our division is on visible cameras, and we have shipped over 1 million cameras to date. So this is the outline of my presentation. I'll start with a very brief overview of deep learning, and then talk about how deep learning can be applied to machine vision applications. Then I will present a couple of case studies on applying deep learning to manufacturing inspection tasks.